Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new Amazon Prime wig video. Now this wig does come from Unice, and if you guys check the info section below, I'll have all the information, details, and links provided there. Now here's everything that I received with my wig, a bunch of goodies as usual. Now once again, this wig can be found on Amazon Prime. It does come from Unice, and I have their new 13 by 4 inch curly edge hairline kinky curly lace wig, and this is what it looks like. Now the edges kind of reminds me of when you take like those little mini flat irons and you kind of like do up those little curls to be able to kind of slick your edges down with like a little bit of gel. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of, and I will kind of be doing that within this video, so you guys have to stay tuned. But this is what the wig looks like. Once again, my wig is 20 inches long. It has that 13 by 4 inch lace. It's 150% density, as well as it does have the pre-plucked hairline and lightly bleached knots. Now the knots are only bleached right there in the middle, so I'm gonna finish bleaching it. So I'm gonna just kind of apply my bleaching mixture all over the lace, getting all those knots to make this wig look a little more realistic. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So since washing the hair, you do notice that the curly edges aren't really curly like that anymore. I will fix that in a bit, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and just get this wig styled up, and I'm gonna also pluck the hairline just a little bit. Now I did want to wear this hair in the middle part, so I went ahead and I did that, and I'm just gonna tweeze behind the hairline per usual. So now I'm just going in using a little bit of that leftover mousse, and I'm just shingling the edges with my fingertips. Now this isn't necessarily going to bring the curls back to how it once was. However, it is going to add a little bit more texture so that later on when we go to style up the edges, it will kind of cooperate a little more with us. So I pretty much allowed the wig to sit and air dry overnight. It's completely dry. This is what it looks like. Here's a close-up of the edges and a close-up on the texture. Super soft and gorgeous. Now whenever I get a wig from Amazon, the lace is never ever gonna match my skin tone, so I tend to go in with a little bit of foundation that's about one shade darker than my skin tone, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over the lace. So now that I have the wig on, you guys can really see what these curly edges look like, and I will be fixing those up later. But don't they kind of remind you of, you know, when you take those little mini flat irons and do like the little curls? Yeah, it's giving me that all day. So the cool thing about this wig is that you don't have to use any adhesives, any glues. Those curly baby hairs really do hide the edges of the lace, making this like a total throw on and go wig. You don't have to worry about gluing it down or anything like that. But yeah, you guys get into this wig. Now, first and foremost, I am 100% here for the texture. It is gorgeous. One thing about Unice's wigs is that they have a gorgeous kinky curly texture that I'm just here for. Now the baby hairs are a little too much for me. I mean, but you know, I love the concept. I know a lot of you guys out there kind of like those little swirls and stuff like that on your edges. I feel like I kind of outgrown that phase, but it was really interesting to give a try. But as mentioned before, I'm going to go in with a little bit of my extreme wet line gel, and we're going to see about doing some little swirls. Now, I have never successfully done any of these, but I found that it was really easy making the little swirls with the gel and these little curls. So I don't know, I had a little bit of fun, even though this is probably the last time that I will be doing this. I kind of just prefer the soft curly edges, and I know a lot of you guys who are into experimenting will have some fun with this wig. But yeah, once again, you guys can find this wig on Amazon. I will be sure to leave all the information and links down below. You guys let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.